everybody, my name is Saanvi. Today we are going to tell about a story of the Ugly Duckling. It was a beautiful summer. A duck was hatching her eggs. The duck was puzzled to see that one of the ducklings are not similar to the other ducklings and was very ugly. Thus, the ugly duckling hatched out from the egg. As the ugly duckling quite was different in shape and size, in comparison with the other ducklings, started to tease him. As the ugly duckling was so different of the rest, even the hens were puzzled to see him. They also teased him. The ugly duckling felt dejected, sad, alone. He went away from the hens and chicks to avoid further humiliation. Suddenly, the ugly duckling found himself surrounded by the geese and their goslings. They all stared at him with surprise and did not accept him. Again, the ugly duckling found himself alone and stayed in a field. He wondered why he was without companions. One day, some hunters came to hunt with hounds. The poor duckling hid himself in the field of sugarcane to escape from the hunters. The hunters saw the birds fly in the sky. They killed a few of them. As the ugly duckling had hidden himself, the hunters could not kill him. Luckily, he was quite safe. After some time, a farmer along with his family visited his field. He saw the ugly duckling. He gave him shelter. The ugly duckling spent some time at the farmer's house. As the farmer's children were naughty, they began to tease him. So the duckling ran away from there as well. One day, he saw some swans flying up in the sky. He wished he could also fly like them. So far, the ugly duckling was without friends. Moreover, he found himself in danger at times. So he was very sad and lonely. Each day was a test for ugly duckling. Soon winter came. It became very cold and colder. These days were very miserable for him. He wished the end of the winter season soon. At last, fortune favored the ugly duckling. The summer season came. He saw some swans in a pond which were friendly towards him. Now, the ugly duckling has grown in size. He wanted to swim and float like others. When he got into the water, he saw his own image in his water. To his great surprise, he felt a swan with him. Of course, he was a swan. He was not the ugly duckling. He was no more ugly. He had grown into a beautiful swan. Now he was not alone, but he had number of friends. He flapped his beautiful wings and flew away with his companions. So that's the end of the Ugly Duckling story. Thank you for listening, listeners. Hope you enjoyed the story. If you like my stories, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye for me too. Bye-bye.